Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make these simple, delicious, and fluffy plantain pancakes and how you can make them too. So for these pancakes, I used salt, vanilla extract, sugar, an egg, milk, spelt flour, regular flour, nutmeg, baking powder, cinnamon, and plantain. So for this recipe, you'll need ripe plantains. That means that the plantain should be at the very least yellow, but it is even better when they are black and they're soft. To simplify this, I'll be putting all the ingredients in a blender. To help the blender along, I start with adding all the liquid ingredients, then the flour and other powdered ingredients, and I top it with plantain. So for these pancakes, I used a combination of spelt and regular flour because I like the texture that the spelt flour gives the pancakes. But this recipe also works perfectly if you decide to only use regular flour. Heat a greased skillet over medium heat. Scoop some of the batter onto the skillet and cook both sides until golden brown. If you like your pancakes a bit thinner, like a crepe, simply add some more milk until the batter becomes runny. Pour the batter into a well-greased skillet and bake until both sides are golden brown. If you decide to give this recipe a try, let me know on Instagram how you like it. And if you like this video, you might actually like this plantain recipe video, or you might like this other video. As always, guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.